Hello friends, how are you? How are your studies going on? In this sales and distribution management, in this series, I am going to present you 18th lesson today. So in this, what I am going to teach you about this Salesforce automation. Salesforce automation and some ethics, business ethics. These two things I am going to explain you. So what is Salesforce automation? Nowadays, there is digital world, everything it is digitally done, isn't it? So now in salesforce work also we are doing some digitally. What is that? Salesforce automation is the application of computerized technologies to support salespeople and sales management in the achievement of their work related objectives. So in this, whatever you are working physically, we will take help of technology through computer. Hmm. So how do we do that? So in that, three things are there. That's SFS solution provider, hardware and infrastructure supplier, and service providers. So SFS solution provider is nothing but a software. What is that ecosystem? It is a product configurator, a software based application engine that allows a company to configure complex product or service based or predefined rules. Dell Computer website permits customers to build their own personal computers. See, salespeople, what they do, they want to know what is the requirement of customer. If the product is very complex, lot of features are there. How will you know the customer is knowing? You can skip one or two features that may become very very fatal. Customer may reject your product. So instead of that, why can't you make a software in that you ask customer to put all the features whatever you want? Now the ball is in their court. Now it is not your mistake. If there is any problem, the customer has made mistake in giving the requirement. So one thing is that legally you are very much, dominating. Now nobody can put finger on you. A second thing, whatever customer is asking, it is tailor-made, customized product you are providing. So a Dell computer has run like that. In the website itself, you can put whatever the features you want, and based on that, you can give your requirement. So it is work of the burden of the salesman is also reduced. It has become very simple. Another example is CRM, customer relationship management. Every day, what you do, you contact the people, you do sales call, and then you again divide it in hot, warm, and cold type of customers, and then you do follow up at what stage it has come. Suppose there are 5 stages in completing the sales, at what stage, and then every day you do update in your register, in your book, or in your file. Instead of doing all that, you put it in the system. It is there in your mobile. Whatever is happening, you just put it in that. You have met the customer. His papers are at this stage. His paper are in finance stage. That approval is made or the payment is made. Margin management, whatever is there, you just update it. And through CRM, you will also be knowing. Your boss will also be knowing, and topmost people are also able to see that what you are doing and what stage this customer file is there. So when the sale is going to happen, that also can be very much clear to each and every person in your hierarchy. So this is one thing, that CRM, how much it is easier now work. So SFA is bringing automation in the sales world. So first is hardware and infrastructure vendors. For this, you require that. What is required? Mobiles, wireless solutions needed. That pagers is required, or tab is required, or mobile is required. Second, what is required? Service provider. That suppose there is some changes in selling process. So in that system also it should be changed. Your suppose price is changed, or that some more item is to be added, or whatever is there. So in that quotation is to be generated. How to do that? Suppose in that process is changed, that also will be changed. So for doing that, because we are doing taking the help of software, so service provider will change accordingly. If organization structure is changed, then also it will be. So your original manager is changed, then the software is to be provided to the new person, or all the facilities to be provided to him. So that system, whatever the changes happen, it enables to or to accommodate it. So then suppose you plan a training for salespeople. So through this system also you can communicate them who all are required, whether it is online or physically they have to reach. SFA software functionality, what is that? Account or customer management, land management, territory management, all these are done. The customer management, A, B, C categories, to whom what to do, what way you have to behave with them, how to mature the cell. Land management you have to inform them regarding this system, but you can get the support from them. Territory management, you have to suppose um, too much inquiry is generated in a particular area. So what you should do? You have to provide the manpower. Hmm? So territory management, whether you have to remove the manpower or you have to increase the manpower, all that you have to decide. Then this was about this Salesforce automation. Now we will talk about business ethics. These two slides are for business ethics. What is that? Without ethics, if you do work, if you do sell, suppose you have to achieve the target, you do all malpractices. You do all malpractices. What will happen? Bomb will blast one day. You will put all substandard products to a person or to a company or to an institution by giving bribe or something like that. One day those products will not be used or will be of substandard. They will not be useful, or they will be having bad quality. They will not perform. The lot of complaints will come to you on your company. They will put complaint against you. So what will happen? Your career will be spoiled, your company will go to loss. So many legal problems will come. So business ethics deal largely with the relationship between business practices and the moral concepts of right and wrong. What is right and what is wrong? That it gives you some eye-opening thing. Apart from the personal thinking, he or she must think what is good for the company too. Not only that, somebody should say that this is good or that is bad. You also should think whether you are doing this right thing for the company or not. You are achieving the target today. You are thinking that I have given so much of sale, but hundreds of customer complaints have come tomorrow. What will happen? See, in combine harvester, there are two types. One is for wetland, where the harvesting is done and the land is wet, mainly paddy. There, the track type, crawler type of combine harvester is required. And where there is dry land, there is no water in the land while harvesting. That is dry land. In that, wheel type of combine harvesters are used. If you convince a customer uh, having this wetland and you sell a wheel type of machine, what will happen? The customer will lose complaint against you, your company, and everybody, because this is costing very high. It is costing around 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs, something like that. So you cannot cheat like that. So you have to think whether you are doing right or wrong. Ethical, social, and legal responsibilities of sales personnel. A survey of sales managers found that the sales managers said that 49% of managers told that their salespeople lied on their sales call. 49% of the salespeople, they have lied on the sales call. They have not told the right thing. They have told lies. By telling lie, you, if you sell, how can you build an image, good image of your company? People say no that you can sell comb to a bald man. Huh? Is it right? The person who cannot use the product, how can you sell? 22% of managers said that their salespeople sold products to the customers who didn't need. 22%. This is also very substantial. So people who are adopting this wrong practices, unethical practices, where will they fall? Their place will be in the jail. 58% of managers said that they had found salespeople cheating on an expense bill. They claim no that TAD and all. So 58% of the salespeople they had claimed the fake bills. So these are unethical practices going on. Is it right? The above unethical behavior of sales team are very serious, and this is the responsibility of sales managers to control it. So you have to control, being a sales manager, you have to control this. You cannot see it continuing. Thank you very much. How was the class? Did you like it? Please must write it in the comment box. I will be eagerly waiting for that. And again, I will come with a new chapter for you. Thank you.